Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the video settings on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! And as you can see, we are currently in a video mode. It's very important for the tutorial to be inside this video mode. And while you are in this mode, you can simply hit the video right at the bottom. Now, click the pencil icon and welcome to the video settings. Here you can choose its quality, you can change the lens, you can change HyperSmooth, clips, horizon lock. You can also have some few things with ProTune like shutter, bitrate, composition, the white balance, maximum ISO levels, and basically a whole bunch of stuff. If you want to change whatever you want, you can simply just click it, and usually you will have a nice little description of the feature and few sliders. And that's literally about it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, remember to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.